This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Great location in Chicks Beach. Great floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Each bedroom has its own full bath, and there is a first floor bedroom with its own entrance and large walk-in closet. Gourmet kitchen with granite counters and stainless appliances. Located in the golf cart approved section, making it so easy to take your family, cooler, pets, or fishing rods to the beach and nearby festivities. When you return, there's an outdoor shower to use. Relax on your spacious balcony and deck, or enjoy the built-in stone fire pit with seating in your private fenced backyard. Steps to many neighborhood restaurants, breweries, and more. Dual-zoned HVAC. Near Little Creek NAB base. For more information, review the details below.